guys, it's me, DevonyJasmine. So I really wanted to make this fun, quick little video for you guys. I've been getting a lot of requests since I've cut my hair a few weeks ago asking me how I've been curling it. So I really just want to make this fun, quick, cute little video for you guys, showing you guys how I curl my hair before school. This isn't like a professional video in any way. There's a lot of things I'm doing wrong. I know I'm doing them wrong. Just ignore that, you know? But this is how I do my hair for those of you who are wondering. So yeah, let's get on to it.
So the curling wand that I'll be using is called the New Me 32mm curling wand. I actually got it from an aunt, so shout out to her. I really love it. I will also be using this Pantene Extra Strong Hold hairspray. Also recommend this, it's really good. And I'll start out by brushing my hair, just brushing through all the knots and getting it all fluffy and ready. And then I'll section off my hair with a clip or a hair tie so it's easier to curl. And oh yes, once you section your hair, you're gonna get this really lovely hairdo. Very sexy. I will then section my hair again and I will start curling the smaller pieces. I know it's very unhygienic to stick hair in your mouth, but just bear with me. And then I hold the hair onto the wand for 30 to 45 seconds and then I'll cup it in my hand, and this is where I spray my hairspray while it's still cupped in my hand, and then I kind of squeeze and release. I just keep repeating these steps over and over until the bottom section of my hair looks like this, and then I will resection my hair and continue curling. So then once I'm done curling my whole head, I will just go back with some hairspray and retouch up any spots that might come out. And last but not least, the most important step, shake! You gotta shake your hair. Shake it all out. Just shake it all out. And lastly, just retouch any spots that might need a little extra hairspray.
This is what it looks like, little 360 action. So this is the finished product. Of course, like, it ends up looking like, I think, the best after, like, I've gone out for the day and towards the end of the night it's even more like fluffed out. So this is usually where I would stop because I usually do this kind of hair for school and I'm at school for hours, and by the end of the day the curls do come out a little bit more. So yeah, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more tutorials just like this, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment down below. What do you want to see next? Well, I will see you guys next week. Bye!